What if I told you there's a jar of pure wellness sitting on your kitchen shelf just waiting to unlock its secrets? Yes, you heard that right. Today we're uncovering the hidden secrets of coconut oil and why you should make it part of your daily life. Stick around until the end because there's an incredible bonus tip that's going to make you rethink how you use this amazing oil. Get ready to be amazed as we explore the incredible health benefits of coconut oil, from boosting your brain function to improving your skin health, and even enhancing your metabolism. There are so many secrets hiding in that jar of coconut oil that most people don't even realize. Stay with us, and by the end of this video you'll discover just how life-changing it can be. First up, did you know that coconut oil is loaded with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties? Yes, it contains lauric acid, which is a powerful compound that helps fight bacteria and reduce inflammation in the body. This means using coconut oil regularly can help boost your immune system and protect you from harmful bacteria. Imagine having a natural shield that keeps you healthier and feeling better every day. Coconut oil could be your secret weapon. But it doesn't stop there. Lauric acid is also known to improve oral health. Oil pulling, where you swish coconut oil in your mouth for a few minutes, helps to reduce harmful bacteria, improve gum health, and even whiten your teeth. It's like having an all-natural mouthwash, minus the chemicals. Pretty amazing, right? Now here's where things get really interesting. Coconut oil is a game changer for your brain. The medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, found in coconut oil are a direct fuel source for your brain. Unlike other fats, MCTs are rapidly absorbed and transformed into ketones, which are like rocket fuel for your brain cells. Studies suggest that consuming coconut oil can improve cognitive function, especially in people dealing with memory issues or cognitive decline. Imagine this. A simple spoonful of coconut oil could be the key to staying sharp and focused, especially during those times when brain fog creeps in. So, why not swap your typical snack for a tablespoon of coconut oil in your coffee or smoothie? Your brain will thank you. If you've been on a journey to lose weight or boost your metabolism, coconut oil may just be what you're missing. Because MCTs are easily digested, they provide a quick source of energy and can even boost calorie burning. Studies show that MCTs increase the number of calories your body burns compared to longer-chain fatty acids found in other oils. Imagine burning extra calories just by switching your cooking oil. Adding a spoonful of coconut oil to your diet might not only curb hunger but also help you shed some stubborn pounds. It's not magic, it's just the amazing power of the right fats. Section 4. Skin and hair health benefits. Let's move on to beauty, because coconut oil isn't just for cooking, it's also a natural beauty elixir. Coconut oil can be used as a moisturizer that's free from harmful chemicals. Thanks to its hydrating properties, it's perfect for combating dry skin, preventing flakiness, and even calming eczema symptoms. Just apply a small amount to your skin before bed, and you'll wake up with softer, healthier-looking skin. And that's not all. Coconut oil can also transform your hair. If you're struggling with dry, damaged, or frizzy hair, coconut oil might be the solution. Apply a small amount as a leave-in conditioner to help nourish and strengthen your hair. It's also great for fighting dandruff, thanks to its antifungal properties. Healthy hair, healthy scalp, all from one natural ingredient. Section 5. Digestive health and nutrient absorption. Did you know coconut oil can improve your digestion as well? The MCTs in coconut oil help balance the gut microbiome by fighting off harmful bacteria and promoting the growth of healthy bacteria. If you've been struggling with digestive issues like bloating or irregular bowel movements, adding coconut oil to your diet can help keep your gut in balance. But here's a lesser-known secret. Coconut oil can help you absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K more efficiently. So by including coconut oil in your diet, you're actually making sure your body gets the most out of the nutrients in your food. How amazing is that? Section 6. Coconut oil for blood sugar control. Here's something that many people overlook. Coconut oil can actually help manage blood sugar levels. The MCTs in coconut oil help to regulate insulin sensitivity and glucose levels, which can be especially beneficial if you're trying to keep your blood sugar in check. Imagine being able to enjoy your favorite foods while keeping your blood sugar stable, just by including coconut oil in your diet. It's an easy change that can lead to big results, especially for those concerned about their blood sugar. Ever feel that afternoon slump where you just need a nap or an extra cup of coffee? Instead of reaching for caffeine, consider trying coconut oil as a natural energy booster. The MCTs provide a quick energy source without the crash that comes from sugar or caffeine. You could mix a spoonful into your tea or coffee in the morning or add it to a smoothie before a workout to give you a clean, lasting energy boost. It's a simple, natural way to keep your energy levels up without relying on artificial stimulants or sugary snacks. Section 8. Improving hormonal health. Coconut oil plays a crucial role in maintaining hormonal balance. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production, and the saturated fats in coconut oil are particularly beneficial in this regard. They help nourish your adrenal glands and thyroid, which play vital roles in regulating your hormones. So if you've been dealing with mood swings, fatigue, or other hormonal imbalances, adding coconut oil to your diet might help restore harmony in your body. Imagine balancing your mood and energy naturally, all with a little help from coconut oil. Section 9. Coconut oil for wound healing and infection prevention. Here's a powerful secret that many don't know. Coconut oil is excellent for healing wounds and preventing infections. Its antimicrobial properties can help prevent infections when applied to minor cuts and wounds, making it a perfect addition to your natural first aid kit. The next time you have a scrape or a cut, try dabbing a little coconut oil on it. You'll be amazed at how it helps with healing. Bonus tip: coconut oil for better sleep. And now for that bonus tip I promised. Did you know that coconut oil can actually help you sleep better? A spoonful of coconut oil before bed can help provide your body with a stable source of energy throughout the night, which helps keep your blood sugar stable and may prevent those late-night wake-ups. It also helps to produce calming hormones that can aid in relaxation, helping you drift into a deep, restful sleep. So if you've been struggling with restless nights, give coconut oil a try before bedtime. You might just wake up feeling more refreshed and energized than ever. Now that you know all these amazing benefits of coconut oil, it's time to make it a part of your daily routine. From boosting brain power and improving metabolism to promoting beautiful skin and restful sleep, coconut oil truly is a versatile superfood that can benefit your entire body. If you found these coconut oil secrets helpful, be sure to check out our other video on the benefits of castor oil before bed, where we reveal even more natural ways to improve your health and wellness. You won't want to miss it. There's always more to learn about taking charge of your health naturally.